Most people would consider this illegal.
This is Black Hoodie rap. There's no fear in my eyes what they looking at. Better look on map. Besides, me not like the eye fight. Me not think such a thing is worth a man's life. Right. But if a man tests my style, I promise he won't like my reply. Boom, bye-bye like Boujou. I'm crucial, I'm a Brooklyn boy. I may take some getting used to. Chain snatching, ain't have it, gotta get it. Same from Brownsville to Brain British. Fatherless child, mama put double shifts, so the number runners was the only one to hang with it. Before you know it, I'm in the game, bang fit it. Fit no orangutans, little kidnaps like arrangements. I'm dangerous. Please, tell me what the name of this. I Brooklyn Dodger them, I jack, I rob, I sin, oh man, I'm Jackie Robinson, except when I run base, I dodge the pen. Lucky me, luckily they didn't get me. Now when I bring the nets, I'm the Black Branch Ricky from Brooklyn corners, burning branches of spread love, Biggie, Brooklyn, hippie, I pity the fool with jewels like Mr. T. With no history in my barrel, they borrow, with no intentions of returning tomorrow. The sun don't come out for many, like Annie, half orphan. Mama never had an abortion, Papa sorta did, still I managed to live. I go hard, I owe it all to the crib. Now please tell me, what the f***'s harder than this?
Hospital, Young Money, we the illest. And I ain't gonna lie when I tell you I'm the illest. My flow is nasty, like CY Phyllis. Self-made G, and them bitches know the business. Relying on rap, but in the kitchen I'm a chemist. And when I was 5, my favorite movie was The Gremlins. Ain't got shit to do with this, but I just thought that I should mention. You looking for divine and a little intervention. And them birds don't fly without my permission. I'm probably in the sky, flying with the fishes, or maybe in the ocean, swimming with the pigeons. See, my world is different, like the Wayne. And if you want trouble, bitch, I want the same thing. And you know that I'ma ride with my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. Don't worry about mine, I'ma grind till I get it. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. Cause the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. And if you look high, you see that I'm gonna be in it. The sky is the limit. Buck 10 in the coupe and your bitch love it. Switching lanes faster than she switched some. Switching lanes, tell her being no double. For the same reason, can't leave it. The game needs them. Plus the people need someone to believe in. So in God's son we trust, cause they know I'ma give them what they want. They're looking for a hero. I guess that makes me a hero. Rubber grip holder, reloader, come at me, I'ma rip your soldiers in half. Silverback ape, nickel plated mag, young, rich and flashy, young. I'm nasty on black clothes till ice lay on me so classy. And every time I close my lids, I can still see the barrel, I can still see the bridge, can still see the dreams that my they never lived to see. Tell them angels open the door for me. From 9 Berettas and moving raw, the chillin' and wine cellar sticks and humidors, that's what I call
immature. That's what I call a G, that's what I call a pimp, that's what I call a gangster to the fullest. I'm trying to make more cream by every September 14th. That's my dream, so I can be more clean. As I grow yearly, I can see things more clearly. That's why they fear me. Chain gleaming, switching lanes, 2C and hate 'em or love 'em for the same reason. Can't leave it, the game needs 'em. Plus the people need someone to believe in. So in God's son we trust, cause they know I'ma give 'em what they want. They're looking for a I guess that makes me It's universal apartheid, I'm hog-tied, the corporate side, blocking y'all from going to stores and buying it. First I lay in was riding with it, but Newsweek articles startled big wigs. They said Nas, why is you trying it? My lawyers only see the Billboard charts as winning, forgetting Nas the only true rebel since the beginning. Still in musical prison, in jail for the flow. Try telling Bob Dylan, Bruce or Billy Joe they can't sing what's in their soul. So entitled it is, I never changed nothing. But people remember this, if Nas can't say it. Think about these talented kids with new ideas being told, but they can and can't spit. I can't sit and watch it. I'ma drop it, like it or not. You ain't gotta cop it, I'm a hustler in the studio. Comes to Don Julio, no matter what the CD call. I'm unbeatable, y'all. Let's go.